Good morning, guys, and happy Halloween to those who celebrate Halloween. Today, we're going to be making chapstick favor boxes, and I am going to first make my own Louis Vuitton cardstock for this design. I have my cardstock pulled up here. I designed it in portrait mode and also in landscape mode. So I'm going to be printing this design in Cricut Design Space. For those of you who haven't seen my other video of how I create it, I'm going to show you here how I create it. File, New, and I open up the landscape format, which is 11 wide by 8.5 high. Okay, resolution is 300. I hit create. And I'm going to downsize it just a little bit here to get all of it in the screen where we can see it. So once you have that, I'm going to unlock it. Once you have this, you pull in your digital artwork. So this is my Louis Vuitton art. This is my file here. So I'm just going to take it and size it to this white background. Okay, I just want to make sure that I have all of that filled in. Okay. Okay, now it's all set. So from this point, I go to File, Print, and I go to Print Settings. The paper I'm using is Hewlett-Packard matte brochure paper. So I selected HP matte brochure or professional paper. Borderless is what I turned on. And I'm going to go to layout and make sure that it's in landscape mode. So all that is correct. Click OK. And then I'm going to click print. And so that's going to print out on a letter size paper. Then I'm going to take that paper, put it into my Cricut machine, and then we are going to print. So what I'm going to do is come back after it prints, and we're going to assemble it, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, guys? So please like, share, comment, subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.